Hey everybody, how are you guys doing? I hope everybody's well. Alright guys, so we have the full spoilers to the Yas August box. Now I do have one variation of this box. So first I'm going to show you the spoilers that we have, and then I'm going to show you this box. So first you'll get one of these two palettes. Now these are from the Mavi Cosmetics Around the World collection. The first one is Take Me to Stockholm, and the next one is Take Me to Los Angeles. Next, we have the Zatik Relieve Eye Serum. And then next, we have Mirabella Beauty. This is the waterproof eyeshadow primer. Then next, we have some Aesthetica Beauty brushes. Now, there is one of two in this picture. I think one says E14. It looks like some kind of liner brush. And then the other one, I believe it says C19, which is a weird diamond-shaped tip, which somebody did inform me that this brush is amazing for hooded eyes. And then last but certainly not least is the Pure Cosmetics Silicone Pro Blender. Now I do have one of these. It's not Pure Cosmetics, but I think they actually work really good. Now let's look at this first variation that we have. I will leave who unboxed this below. So this is showing everything. It's got the Take Me to Stockholm palette in this variation, as well as the other spoilers. But the Aesthetica brush in this one is a little bit different than the two that they showed us in the spoilers. This is a dual-ended brush. It has a spoolie on one side, and it looks like one of those under-eye blender brushes. That's what it looks like to me. I'm not exactly sure, but I think that's really neat that there was another brush that we didn't know about, so that's really cool. So as soon as they come out with any more spoilers, I will keep you guys updated. Now, don't forget, guys, we have this Glam Light palette or palettes that will be in a future box, so stay tuned for that. And also I will link all other spoilers below, and if you want to check out Yas August, they are linked below. I do have a code for you to use. It is SelfTaught Beauty. That is in all caps. That will get you 10% off of your first box if you do want to try them out. And as always, make sure your bell is on, that way you're notified of every single video I upload. You don't want to miss any spoilers. Also guys, rate the video for me if you would. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. That shows me exactly which videos you guys have been enjoying and which ones I need to adjust just for you. And one more tiny favor before you guys leave, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.